pause this video and see if you know how to solve this problem on your own. So here's how I'd look at this. It says a local transit company sells a monthly pass for $95 that allows an unlimited number of trips of any length. Tickets for individual trips cost $150, $250, or $350 depending on the length of the trip. What's the minimum number of trips per month for which a monthly pass could cost less than purchasing individual tickets for trips? So my first thought is it doesn't tell us what length of a trip we're taking, so we could kind of choose. And the answer is probably going to be either 150 or 350, and logically you could figure out already that it's going to be 350, but I'll show you why that's the case. And we're trying to figure out how many trips do we need to take in order for it to be worth it to get this $95 card. Like, we need to be getting more than $95 worth of value with the trips that we're taking. So a quick thing that we could do here is 95 divided by 1.5. And that gives us 63.3. So that tells us that if we were only taking $1.50 cost trips, like short trips, then we have to take about 63 trips for us to reach that $95 threshold where it would make sense to get the card. We'd actually have to take 64 because you have to round this up. But if we divide by 3.5 instead, then we get 27.14. And that means that if we do 27 times 3.5, we get 94.5 or 94.50. So that means if we take 27 long trips, the $3.50 trips, then we're getting $94.50 worth of value. And we actually have to just take one more trip for it to make sense to get the $95 card, because then we're saving money. If we change this to 28, all of a sudden we're getting $98 worth of value and we're paying $95 for it because we're getting unlimited trips with our $95 card. So the answer to the problem is 28. I hope that makes sense.